In the last 30 days, I made $9,398 online passively. And in this video, I'm going to break down my one simple strategy that made this all possible so that you can model this and get results like this for yourself. And the best part is that you could start doing this today with no money. So let's dive in. If you're new here, hi, I'm Molly. I started as a broke college dropout. This was my car. I had just 81 cents to my name, and I leveraged that into a multiple six-figure per year photography studio. Then I started creating free content and paid digital products to help other photographers, and I grew that into a $2 million per year digital info products business. And now I help content creators and aspiring content creators just like you to grow and monetize your following with digital info products so you can help your followers on a deeper level and make a full-time living doing what you love. In the last 30 days, I made $9,398, and that's over $300 per day. And the absolute best part is that the majority of these sales were completely passive, meaning I wasn't trading my time to make this money. I made these sales while I was just living my life, traveling, hiking with my dog, hanging with my friends and family, and just doing the day-to-day things that I really enjoy. So what exactly did I sell and do to make these sales? Well, these sales came from a digital product, and more specifically, my own ebook called 30-Day Digital Product. There really is no better feeling than just seeing sales come in when you're out just living your day-to-day life. In fact, my best friend since middle school flew in from Wisconsin for the week, and one of those days we went to a hot springs here in New Mexico, and during that day, I made $2,533 just from my digital products. So how exactly did I set this all up so that I can be making passive sales while I'm out and about just living my life? Well, I can tell you right now that I'm not using Etsy, I'm not using Amazon, I'm not using Teachable, and I'm not using Shopify. So let's dive into my three-part framework where I can show you exactly how I did this step by step so that you can learn it and make it a reality for yourself too. Oh, and really quickly, I'm about to dive into how you can make money passively from an ebook like I do as well. But if you're interested in learning about all the different types of digital products that are out there, I have a free download in the description below this video with a full list of all 54 different types of digital products. So go now, click the link in the description below and download it completely for free. All right, step number 1 is creating weekly YouTube videos just like this one. Step number 2 is promoting a freebie so I can move my followers to email list subscribers. And number 3 is having an ebook for sale on the thank you page when someone puts in their name and email to download one of my freebies. Now, I'm about to go into depth into each one of these 3 framework steps, but if you're thinking, I wish I had a following in an email list, go in the description below this video and download my freebie email list building funnel completely for free as my gift to you. Okay, so once or twice a week, I publish a YouTube video just like this one. Now, yes, it took me 135 videos just like this one to get over 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. But it has been completely well worth it because not only am I able to make something like $9,000 so per month for my digital products, but I'm also getting paid over $1,000 per month through YouTube AdSense. So I'm actually getting paid to grow my following and make sales, which there is no other platform out there that does something like that and pays you that much money. And if you want a consistent flow of leads for free so that you can get a consistent flow of passive sales to your digital products, then this is something that you're going to want to do too. And the best part about growing on YouTube is you don't have to wait until you hit 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers to start making money from your own digital products from YouTube. In fact, when I started, I only had a couple hundred followers. And what I did was I grew my YouTube following and my email subscribers and my sales simultaneously. You don't need to wait until you hit a number. You can get started and start growing your following, your email list, and your sales consistently for passive sales today. Okay, number 2, in each one of my YouTube videos, I promote a freebie 1 to 3 times in each video. I've actually already done it throughout this video a few times. This gives my audience, or you, the viewer, the opportunity to get help on a deeper level for free and also join my email list where I share more helpful information and also send out an occasional invite to join any of my paid digital products. See, an email list is actually 40 times more effective at making sales than social media alone. So this is why this is a crucial step in moving my followers to paid customers. And that's that's something that's really important to me because I know I'm going to be able to get them the help that they need to reach their goals faster if I can move them into one of my paid digital products. Not to mention, having an email list is just smart. Let's say YouTube decides to shut down my account or shut down YouTube or whatever. I'll still have all the data on my email list, so I can still actually reach all of those followers that I've worked so hard to build. All right, number 3, and this is the best part, and this is how you start making sales. So once somebody finds me on YouTube, they download a freebie, what they're going to do is put in their name and email to get that freebie. And then they're going to be taken to the next page, which is called a thank you page. And on that thank you page, it's going to say something like, thanks so much for downloading the blah, blah, blah freebie. Your freebie is on its way to your inbox now. But while you wait, we wanted to mention this blah, blah, blah other product that we think that could help you do blah, blah, blah. Something like that. You can download one of my freebies if you want to see the actual page in action. And then on that thank you page, I promote right now my ebook called 10-Day Digital Product. And that is what is responsible for the majority of the $9,398 in sales that I made over that month. And by the way, my ebook is only $59 to $99 depending on when you take action on purchasing it, because we do offer a discount for those who take fast action. And so it's not like I am selling a $1,000 thing 9 times. I made a lot of sales from just a $59 product. It really is and can be that simple. Post content consistently to grow a following, then have a great freebie or two to offer to your audience to move them from followers to email list subscribers. When they sign up, you can promote one of your digital products, like say a $59 ebook like I do, and then people can choose if they want to purchase that ebook or not. Now, not everyone who signs up is going to purchase that digital product, but a percentage will. And that is a great way that you can start making consistent passive sales like I do with my ebook. Now that you know the strategy that brought me $9,398 in the last 30 days, you might be wanting to go a little bit more advanced and learn my 3-part strategy that has brought me in over $8 million in digital product sales to date. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. See you in the next video.